What? The hell? Oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah. All right, good morning everyone. Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm out land-based fishing again, targeting some early morning shallow sand flats on top water. So I've got the slippery dog tied on to my favorite Daiwa TD Hyper setup, and we're gonna head out on these flats here and see what we can do. As always, take you along for the ride. Let's see how we go. So on a previous episode, you would have seen me head out onto the exact same sand flat, but what I'm actually gonna do is you're gonna head right from where I entered into this sand flat and try and target some fish a bit further up, and then of course go back to that normal spot that I was behind me. But I wanna just try out different areas. There was plenty of fish on that left-hand side, and we dropped quite a few fish and some really good salmon, and probably a couple of really good whiting as well. So that's a little bit disappointing, but I'm just gonna head up onto this sand flat on the right-hand side here, pepper it for about half an hour and see how we go. Another reason why is that I'm gonna go this way rather than the other way is because I sort of learnt my lesson in that first episode, where the northerly wind comes from that right-hand side, and I sort of had pushed as far south as I could walking, and then I had to spend probably 45 minutes casting into the wind, which was a bit annoying. So my plan is to try and go up current and upwind, and then work my way down. Oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was a hit. Oh. No, come on, man. God. I'm not having any luck. Jesus. Oh, that was right next to the whiting hit right here, like 2 centimeters away from me. Oh man, that whiting bit probably 2 meters from me, rod length away. That was pretty cool. And I had that salmon hook up, but then the hooks unfortunately slipped. Hopefully we can land one of these fish, because it's getting a bit frustrating dropping all these fish and not catching one. So fingers crossed, hey? Oh, there's a fish behind it. Oh! There's a snot sound behind that. Oh, it looked away for a second. After quite a few missed fish, it was time for a change of luck. So I tied on the double clutch to see if they could change my luck. What? The hell? Right at my feet. Look at that. That was right at my feet. Beautiful little whiting. That was literally first cast after tying a plastic on. I was like, oh, I'll tie a plastic on, I'll fish this edge that's coming up here with a plastic on this run outside, see if we can get a flatty or something. And yeah, nice little whiting. Unfortunately, that whiting was the one and only landed fish for the session. Sometimes in fishing, you can get very lucky, and others, like in this case, the luck just isn't on your side. But there is always another session to come to turn my luck around. I know you guys really can't see me right now, but it is obviously very dark this morning, but I am also very excited. I have tied on a big dog. Let's just call it a big dog. 25 centimeter lure, and I'm targeting giant flathead.